You don't need $3,000 to $5,000 to fix your credit. You don't need to join some high limit fancy mentorship to fix your credit. Here's what you need to do. You need to spend the time to learn. Spend your time to learn. Instead of listening to music, listen to educational stuff. You can join my free YouTube channel, listen and learn, because really it's about mindset, moving forward, paying your bills on time, healthy credit relationships, healthy credit habits, paying on time over time, quality credit accounts, building relationships with banks, getting good credit cards from good credit unions that other banks will look at as comparable credit. It's all about mindset. Being able to have that, hey, this is not my money, and if I have the money in my checking account to pay it back, then I can spend it. But we want to treat our credit cards just like we would treat our debit cards. And when we're not using our credit cards, we keep them locked inside of the app, so that way no one else can use them either. It's all about having that healthy balance and understanding that we're not looking for the next best hack. We're not looking for anything. We're looking for long-term success, so that way we don't have to go through credit repair. We don't have to worry about credit repair because we have a healthy relationship with credit, all right? And you understand what it is that you are responsible for, because nobody can truly fix your credit. Only you can fix your credit by learning what it is that you need to do. Pay on time, keep your credit utilization low, get a longer history, 5 years or more is the goal, add trade lines to add more history and higher limits, have a nice mixture of account, 4 to 6 credit cards, 2 to 4 or more installment loans, and don't open up too many new accounts too quickly. If you're going to open up new accounts, do them at the same time so they can age together. Banks are more sensitive to new accounts opened within the last 6 months now. So if you're going to open, say 4 accounts, do them at the same time and then let a year go by before you apply for anything else. Or at least 6 months go by, because that's going to be the minimum. A lot of banks now will deny you because you have too many newly opened accounts. So let at least 6 months of on-time payments report to those accounts before you start applying for anything new. 6 or more, okay? I'm not saying right at 6, but now it's better to go slow and steady, because that's what keeps you in the race versus going too fast and then crash and burn. All right, guys, it's all about balance, and we have to learn that healthy relationship to use credit as the tool that it can be. Very, very helpful and powerful, and allowing us to buy assets that we wouldn't normally be able to acquire without credit. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you want to learn more about credit, make sure to join the credit community, where we talk about personal credit, business credit, starting a credit repair business, funding, and so much more. I'll see you there.